From misty forests to shimmering streams, from quiet sadness to joyful laughter, the brave duckling journeys through the unknown. And then, as the afternoon sun lights up the lake, a miracle unfolds. The duckling is reunited with its loving mother and family. The emotional reunion turns this journey into an unforgettable memory. Join this touching adventure, a story of love, growth, and the magic of friendship. Leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear what you felt. Don't forget to subscribe to InspireMind Way for more inspiring animated stories.
Thank you.